Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make these quick and easy baked orange glazed chicken wings. To get started, add 2 pounds of chicken wings to a bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Toss the wings, making sure all pieces are coated. The baking powder will help to get crispy wings. Line a sheet tray with foil and give it a light spray. Add the wings to a tray spaced apart so they aren't touching. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until brown and crispy. While the wings are cooking, we can make the orange glaze. Add a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice to a pot along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, and 5 teaspoons of sugar. Stir and bring to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water or chicken stock and stir to combine. Add this to the sauce and simmer for 5 minutes. When the wings are done, add them to a clean bowl and add the orange glaze. Toss the wings, making sure all pieces are coated in the sauce. Add the wings to a plate and garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. And that's it! These wings are perfect. They're crispy, tangy, sweet, and full of flavor. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.